What if your Thanksgiving table could speak? Would it whisper warmth, gratitude, and timeless elegance, or merely echo silence under a dull, store-bought centerpiece? This season isn't just about turkey and tradition, it's about the atmosphere you create, the memories you anchor, and the subtle beauty that welcomes your guests before the first dish is served. Think of the tablescape at Martha Stewart's legendary fall gatherings, or the rustic, magazine-worthy spreads seen at countryside weddings. Behind every stunning setup lies one secret ingredient: intentional design. And the good news? You don't need a team of designers or a hefty budget to achieve it. With a little creativity, a few seasonal elements, and your personal touch, you can craft DIY fall centerpieces that radiate charm, elegance, and meaning. Let's start with the heart of every centerpiece: natural textures. Autumn offers a rich palette: crisp golden leaves, dried wheat bundles, mini pumpkins, pine cones, and gourds in every hue. Combine them in low-profile arrangements using shallow wooden trays, vintage cake stands, or antique serving bowls. These pieces invite touch and admiration without obstructing sight lines across the table, a vital detail for conversation and connection. Candlelight elevates everything. Use a mix of votives, tall tapered candles, or lanterns to cast a warm, flickering glow. Choose colors like amber, rust, ivory, or deep wine to enhance the seasonal palette. Tuck them between clusters of eucalyptus, cinnamon sticks, or acorns for added dimension and scent. Want a refined yet relaxed feel? Layer your centerpiece over a gauzy table runner or a piece of linen in earthy tones. Add unexpected elements like antique books, copper mugs with seasonal florals, or handwritten place cards tied with twine. These personal touches shift your decor from generic to unforgettable. The beauty of DIY lies in customization. Hosting brunch? Create a casual centerpiece with apples, cranberries, and milk glass. Dinner party? Opt for deeper colors, elegant stemware, and metallic accents. Kids at the table? Use painted pumpkins, dried orange slices, or even a gratitude jar everyone contributes to. Remember, your centerpiece sets the emotional tone. It's more than decor, it's an invitation to pause, to connect, to celebrate what truly matters. This fall, let your creativity speak louder than perfection. What materials or memories would you include in your dream fall centerpiece? Let's inspire each other in the comments below.